All right, you are ready to go shopping, or so you think. Did you know that there's a difference between a pre-qualification and a pre-approval? Let's talk about it. Now, a pre-qualification is when you speak to a bank or a lender and you're just verbally giving them information as far as your income and your debts and your credit score, and they're verbally giving you a very rough estimate on what you can afford. Now, this pre-qualification is great info to see if you might need to work on something, whether it's your income, your debt, what you need to save, and even your credit score. So this is not something that you take to start to go shopping with. Now, a pre-approval is an official letter that you receive from your lender after they have received your employment, your credit score, your income and bank stubs, and all of those documents in regards of pre-qualifying or getting pre-approved for a purchase price. They give you an official letter that you could take to go home shopping and write offers with. Those are two big differences. It's very important to get pre-approved before you go shopping, because if you start looking around, you fall in love with the house and you go to get pre-approved later on, you might find out that you don't qualify for that dream home you want to write an offer on. So make sure to connect with a trusted lender and get that process started for you.